Okay. Now the best thing to do this question is to divide it into smaller parts, because if you see the size of the question, you definitely feel that it's big and difficult to handle. So we use the concept of piecemeal solution, we break it into smaller parts. So let's see, this first small part which we break is what is given. If sin theta plus sin square theta is 1, that means sin theta is 1 minus sin square theta. We know what is 1 minus sin square theta? It's cos square theta. So we have sin theta equals to cos square theta. This is one result which we will always remember, that a cos square theta can be written as sin square theta. Alright, don't get worried about the size, it's little big, I know. Now, the first thing which we did was, we wrote this result here, sin theta is equal to cos square theta. Now we took the help of that and we just managed to take these bigger powers and write it as something small. It's just that we feel little more secured when the powers are less. So this becomes sin to the power 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Why? Because wherever there is cos square theta, we will introduce sin theta. So if it was cos to the power 12, it became sin to the power 6. Now we have taken this as one term, because we had 2 with only the last 3 terms. We could have taken all the 3 together, but I just took these 2 and I took 2 common, 2 sin square theta plus sin theta. Now you see, this part stays the same till almost the last step. So I am not touching this part. Now we have broken it into smaller piece, and now we have this portion, this. Now from these to the power 6 to the power 5 to the power 4 to the power 3, I have taken sin cube theta common, because that was the maximum which we can. Please see, keep seeing every step. Now the sin to the power 6 becomes sin cube theta. The 3 sin to the power 5 becomes sin square theta. This to the power 4 becomes sin theta, and this cube whole thing gets common, so we have 1. Now I have written this formula separately for everyone to remember that a plus 1 the whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b. So b is 1, so it will be just 1, plus 3a b square. b is 1, so 1 square is also 1, plus b cube, which is 1. So this is actually a plus b the whole cube. Now see, instead of a, if I take sin theta, this is just the formula, sin cube theta plus 3 sin square theta plus 3 sin theta plus 1. So this is sin theta plus 1 the whole cube. Along with it, we have already this sin cube theta outside. Now what we do, we have something cube and something else also cube, so we take the whole cube common. So we have sin theta into sin theta. So this sin theta stays here, this comes in this bracket. Sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta, and sin theta into 1 is sin theta, the whole cube. This I said we have not touched. We brought it all the way up to here as it is. Now see, you have 2 terms, sin square theta plus sin theta, and this bracket also sin square theta plus sin theta. Now see, if cos square theta can be written as sin theta can also be written as cos square theta. So now is the time that I write sin theta as cos square theta, and here also sin theta as cos square theta. Now we all know sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So this is sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is 1 cube, which is 1, plus sin square theta plus cos square theta, 1 into 2 is 2, minus 2. So it's like 2 minus 2 will get cancelled. The result answer to this expression is 1. Alright, so if you have understood, great. See all the steps and you have to do it once on your own. If you've just copied the steps, it will not help. You have to try this question on your own, maybe once, maybe twice. Then you will be getting confidence when you see this in the exams. Right? Thank you.